Discuss the continuity of the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 8 divided by x minus 2 when x is not equal to 2, and the value of the function f of x is equal to 12 when x is equal to 2 at a point x is equal to 2. Since f of 2 is equal to 12, 12 is not equal to plus or minus infinity, therefore f of x is defined at the point x is equal to 2. Now, to calculate the limit of the given function at a point 2, the left hand limit of the left hand limit of the function at point 2, the left hand points of the neighborhood of a point 2 are in the form of 2 plus 2 minus h. Therefore, we bound the function to the left hand points of the neighborhood of a point 2. We put x is equal to 2 minus h. As x tend to 2, replace x by 2 minus h tend to 2. After the simplification, h tend to 0. Therefore, limit f of x when x tend to 2 is equal to limit f of 2 minus h, replace x by 2 minus h, and as x tend to 2, h tend to 0 to the left side, and substitute 2 minus h in the given function. We have limit h tend to 0 to the left side, 2 minus h whole cube minus 8 is the whole divided by 2 minus h minus 2. And after the simplification, the last the simplest form of this function is limit h tend to 0 to the left side, 12 minus 6h, apply limit to 12 and apply limit to 6h, which is also equal to 6 multiplied by limit h tend to 0 of h. The 12 is constant. The limit of 12 when h tend to 0 is equal to 12 minus 6 multiplied by the limit of h when h tend to 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 6 is equal to 0. 12 minus 0 is equal to 12. That is, the left-hand limit of the given function is exists and is equal to 12. Therefore, the left-hand limit of the function f of x at a point 2 is equal to 12. That is limit of f of x when x tend to 2 the left side is equal to 12 is exist. Now, to calculate the right hand limit of the function at a point x is equal to 2, to bound the function to the right side points of the neighborhood of a point 2. The right side points of the neighborhood of a point 2 are in the form of 2 plus h. Therefore, we put x is equal to 2 plus h. As x tend to 2, replace x by 2 plus h. 2 plus h tend to 2. After the simplification, h tend to 0. Therefore, limit of the function f of x when x tend to 2 through the right side points of the neighborhood of a point 2 is equal to limit f of 2 plus h. Replace x by 2 plus h when h tend to 0 through the right side of the neighborhood of a point 2, and substitute x is equal to 2 plus h in the given function. We have limit h tend to 0 through the right side, 2 plus h whole cube minus 8 divided by 2 plus h minus 2, and after the simplification, the simplest form of this function is limit h tend to 0 through the right side of the neighborhood of a point 2, which is equal to 12 plus 6h, apply limit to 12 as well as apply limit to 6h, which is equal to 6 multiplied by limit h tend to 0 through the right side of h. The limit of 12 is 12, and the limit of h when h tend to 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 6 is equal to 0. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. That is, the right hand limit of the function at a point 2 is exists and is equal to 12. That is, the right hand limit of the function f of x when x tend to 2 is equal to 12 and is exist. That is, the left hand limit of the function is exist and is equal to 12, and the right hand limit of the function at a point 2 is exist and is equal to 12. The condition between these two numbers is the condition of equality. Therefore, we can decide that the limit of the function f of x at a point 2 is exist and is equal to 12. As the limit of a function at a point 2 is equal to 12 and the value of the function at a point 2 is also equal to 12, the condition between these two numbers is the condition of equality. Therefore, we can decide that the function f of x is continuous at a point x is equal to 2.